What's up, guys? Gold Rush here again with another spectacular trading view indicator, one that can guarantee you consistent profits. My apologies for the sudden disappearance. We've been away for quite a while, 2 months. That's quite a while. But I really appreciate all of you that has been with us right from the beginning till now. We have another beautiful indicator for you, sniper entry indicator, one that you can be getting close to 10 to 20 good signals in a day, making you more than $100 on a daily basis. And talking about $100 on a daily basis, the Gold Rush has a community where we show you how exactly, we take you by the hand and show you how exactly you can make $100 to $500 on a daily basis. And this is the Gold Rush community. Today we are sending free signals on this community. You can see this is already more than $100. You can see the profits we make in a day. And this is just 5 a.m. 5 a.m., 6:47 a.m. There's a profit in just a day. So if you want to join the Gold Rush community, the link to the community will be in the description box. All you gotta do is click and you'll be part of us. So let's actually dive right into the strategy I'm talking about. Now, the strategy is gonna be done under 3 minutes time frame to show you that this is pure sniper, people. This is on a 3 minute time frame. You see it, you enter, and you're out. And we're going to be using two different indicators, the golden sniper indicator and the MACD divergence indicator. So basically, let's take it step by step. This is the golden sniper indicator. Let me show you guys. From this green line, you see it's actually where you place your stop loss. Just below the green line is for your stop loss, but we're gonna get there. Now, this is for stop loss. Now, let me show you exactly. This is an arrow. Probably as it shows like this, you don't see it properly, but this is an arrow indicating buy. This is showing that you should enter a buy. But that's not all about it. The Gold Rush has actually tweaked this indicator in such a way that you get consistent and crazy profits, I'm telling you. So this is the divergence also, MACD divergence. It's quite simple, above the zero line and below the zero line. Before I show you guys how we're going to implement this strategy, if you want more strategies like this consistently, if you want more of this, all you've got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notification icon so that you can be notified when next we drop a video. So basically, we do know that this is a buy signal. Buy. We got a lot of buys today. So this is it here. This is how the strategy goes. You first of all see a buy signal. You see this? A buy signal. Now this one becomes invalid because this is a bearish candle. What we need is a bullish candle after this. So this trade becomes invalid. Now let's go over here. We see one valid. This is a buy signal and this is a bullish candle. So we are ready to enter a buy. This is a long position up here. Yep. Now we're gonna see right down here if this is above the zero line. Once you have confirmed these three things, you've seen the buy signal, you've seen the bullish candle, and the MACD divergence above the zero line, then you are clear for this beautiful trade. This is sniper. This is little pips, but you're gonna use bigger lot sizes so that you can enjoy profits from this. So this is it now. This is your stop loss a bit below here, and it's gonna be a 1 to 1:5, 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. So this is it. 1:1.5 risk to reward. 1 is to 2 normally works a lot, but for conservative trading, you have 1 is to 1.5, and for aggressive traders, you have 1 is to 2. So this, if you are aggressive, you have 1 is to 2 done and dusted beautifully. We have another buy signal here, quite beautiful and convenient. You see the green arrow, that's the buy signal. You see that this is above the 0 line. So place another trade right here while that one's still going, because you're sure of profits. This is it, there's stop loss, and 1 is to 1.5. Like I said, conservative will help you a lot. So this is conservative. You can open multiple trades, some conservative, then some aggressive. But as you can see, aggressive trading didn't quite. What am I saying? Beautifully done. Aggressively, this went for it. So both aggressive and conservative traders made this. This is a sell signal, and as you guys can rightly see, this didn't work because, well, we have a bullish candle here. So for the sell signal, we have our sell signal right here. For you to enter a sell trade, you have a sell signal right here. You should have a bearish candle, and this should be below the 0 line. So this doesn't actually fulfill all our criteria. We just have 1 and 2. We don't have this one, so we're letting it go. We have another buy. I'm looking for a sell. Let's just do this one. So basically, this is it. Once more, buy right here. So there's your stop loss, a few pips below. You can marry the stop loss to it, but for those that have spread, you just give it a little pips away from it. Now this is 1 is to 2. Both conservative and aggressive traders made good profits from it. So let me look for a sell signal. I'm not looking for buys anymore, so that I can explain. Now this is a doji. I won't take it normally, but it's fine. Most times it works out, but sometimes it doesn't. So basically, I think this is a sell signal. I've seen all the criteria needed. So this is the bearish candle. This is our sell signal, and this is below the sell line. So we're going for a short position. This is it. And as we can see, both conservative and aggressive traders have made profit once again with this beautiful strategy. So let's head over to adding this to our charts. Let's delete it first of all. Remove. And then we're gonna add it. So we head over to indicators. We go for T3 gold. Yeah, sniper, we hit it. And okay, this is it. Well, we changed a few things. This is our input. We're gonna change the fast MA length to 30. That's what we're gonna do for this. Then we're gonna add another one called the best histogram. This one right here. Yeah, the best MACD line. Correct. And we're gonna go over here to tweak it a little bit. The fast length, we're gonna change this to 23. The slow length, we're gonna change this to 30. And we'll go over to styles, make the signals and lines are going off. And this is our beautiful strategy, clean profits, consistent profits. If you know you learned something new from this video, all you've got to do is just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified when next we drop a new video. And do not forget to go over to our Telegram channel, join our community where we make at least $100 to $500 on a daily basis. So, if you've done all of this, guys, peace.